To properly tie a peep, begin by taking 18 inches of .017 or .019 serving material. Tie one wrap around the outer perimeter groove of the peep and tie a double overhand knot. Be sure to leave an equal amount of string on each side of the knot. Wrap and repeat the overhand knot twice. Now, tie a half-hitch knot around one bundle of the separated bowstring, pulling the knot very tight against the perimeter serving. Repeat the half-hitch knot again, pulling very tight. Repeat the half-hitch knot on the other side of the peep, pulling tight each time. With the remaining string, tie an overhand knot across the two knots you just tied. Do this 2 more times. Then, cut the extra string and melt the ends.